nerdy. A person who likes books, school, computers, or hobbies too much. She is nerdy because she loves math. My nerdy brother plays video games all day. Bossy. A person who always tells others what to do. She acts bossy and gives many orders. The bossy man told everyone to sit down. Chummy. Friendly. Close like good friends. He is very chummy with his neighbors. The two boys are chummy at school. Chatty. A person who likes to talk a lot. My chatty neighbor talks for hours. The man is very chatty with his friends. Moody. A person who changes feelings quickly, sometimes happy, sometimes sad or angry. He is moody in the morning. She gets moody when she is tired. Corny. Something silly. His corny jokes made everyone laugh. Dad always tells corny stories at dinner. Classy. Stylish, or very good in appearance and behavior. She looked classy in a black dress. He is classy when he talks politely. Snobby. Thinking you are better than others. The girl was snobby with her classmates. He is snobby about his expensive clothes. Trashy. Cheap, ugly, or low quality. The place looked trashy after the party. His room looks trashy with clothes on the floor.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!